Hello guys, this is Prince here. Today I'm going to give you an idea about how parking sensor in car is working. And as we know that all car have parking sensor which buzzer at a specific distance or a specific time when object is near to the car or in the range of the sensor. So from Tinkercad stimulation, I can give you an idea about how it is working, how we code it, how distance is fixed. So let's start our project. Our aim of the project is very clear to draw a circuit diagram how parking sensor is working in car. We need apparatus like Arduino UNO R3, LED, jumper wire, ultrasonic distance sensor, piezo which is also known as buzzer, breadboard. The feature of this sensor is to avoid collision between the cars, park car easily. We divide the range of car in three zones. So start with our circuit diagram. So open Google and go on Tinkercad and create new circuit. So first of all select for Arduino UNO R3. I will tell you the basic function of keys that is present in Arduino. ARF, AREF key which give reference voltage as input voltage. Ground pin, there are 0 to 14 input output pin which is digital PWM pins are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, which have tilt sign before. RX pin and TX pin mean receive and transmit data in TTL form. There are 6 analog pin, power pin and reset pin which reset microcontroller. So let's start with our circuit diagram. Our circuit diagram. Now we have to start from coding process. So first of all click on code, delete it, delete it. Create an input variable, input, set input to read ultrasonic distance sensor trigger pin or echo pin to trigger at our desired range, and trigger pin is 5th and echo pin is 6th. Now we have to input the range, the distance between the car, our car and another car or any object. So print to input with new line, and if distance is less than 100 centimeter then the buzzer will start and red white. red light also alert us. So we need, if input distance is 100 centimeter, then set pin buzzer 8 pin to high, red pin 10 to also high, and the blue light to low. Copy it and put it. The distance is greater than 100 centimeter, then set 8 pin to low, 10 pin to low, and 11 pin to high. Sorry, it's low. So this complete our coding process. So we start with our stimulation. As you see, the distance is 100 centimeter, then blue light is on, and when the distance is less than 100 centimeter, red light is on. Okay. Okay. At last, I would like to give thank you to Mr. Ankush sir and Amit sir, so because they give us such a great task which increase our abilities. So thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, guys.